Welcome back, guys. It's been about a week or two, I think about 2 weeks, and the car is done. Bodywork is all done. It's all straight as an arrow now. As you can see there, the fenders are all nicely lined up. The front grille is back on. We got this brand new bumper here, which I think it looks awesome. Very muscle car looking, as you can see. Give it a space there. Yeah, we are in plus performance. It's late here. Okay, and yeah, have a look around. Once painted, it's gonna look awesome. I'm digging this blue now, and I might take from that car as inspiration on the blue and do the whole car in blue. The rear fender, the last you saw the rear fender, it was horrible, but here we are. We've got a whole new rear fender there. Once this is all cleaned up, finished up, it will look just clean all the way through. And we've got that beautiful ducktail there. I'm on the fence. Shall I keep? Shall I change? This is actually new, but I'm on the fence. But look at the line there. Beautiful ride. Yeah, I think it looks good. Fantastic stuff. So yeah, it's gonna go to paint. My painter is next door over there, and once it's painted, we'll see the car in its fullest glory. The blue does strike me. Should I do blue, or what do you say? What do you reckon is be a good color for the car? Yeah. Let me know in the comment section, what color should the E36 Coupe be? Cheers, guys. Bye.